Yeah, me can run up on the road, skate again. Bicycle today. Yeah, Chris cycle. Yeah, man, big up sharp man, set speed, you know? On the next general in the place. It's a blessing. But out here, not touch it from early. Yo, general. Cruising, nice and easy. Oh, fire. Blessings, blessings. Place look pretty this morning. My. Extremely beautiful. Giving thanks and praises to the Most High. We're up on about another day. Yes, it's a blessing. Big truck come up the road there. You know where it go? Look out for them, you know. Make sure you have a brake. You can tap them. See if they just pull off the road. Wait for them to pass, you know. Oh, my general. Yeah, man, and they go again, you know. You have to make sure you stay safe. You have to wait for the vehicle to pass. Oh, chase style. Yeah, man, chase style in a real general, you know. Yeah, man. Running from the walk, you know. You don't do much to see. Lily, I run from the camera there again. No, Lily already. Right. Yo, right, yo. Bless up. Yeah, man. And they go, you know. Bone, clean up the machine. Nice. Watch your road. Blessings, daddy. Yeah, man. They're in the work, you know. And they go. I have to bless them up. Set speed, you see it. Woo. Bicycle running, man. Oh, man. Just as fast as 3-star. Blessings. Yeah, man. Now let up this morning. Quotes. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Alright. Park the vehicle, you know. Take a different approach. Oh. Road bad still, you know. Blessings, mommy. Alright. Yeah, mommy and the go, you know. Everybody hard at work. Greetings, mommy said. Alright. Yeah. My patrons, I'm always out, man. Country is a blessed place. It's very rare when you find people at hide. Yeah. As much as them that say Jamaican is complacent, but my community run different, you know. Yeah, man, be a progressive people, you know. Oh, daddy. Yeah, man, hard working folks. Generally, they're on the block. Oh! Yeah, man, them crap out, you know. Build up the place. Pretty tough. Manners. Them general them there. Out, you know. Play some domino and enjoy themselves. Proper. Oh! Manners. Yes, look over yard. There we go. Blessings, man. Oh, amazing. Big kind of forward. Oh! Big kind of forward. Go through, brother. Yeah, I'll pull in, you know. Woo! Pure water. Can't go through this fast, you see? Whoa, daddy. Manners and respect. Strict than that, you know. Real general in our place, no joke about it. No crime, no violence. Keeping it positive. Yes, man. Keeping it real, you know. Jamaica, yard life. You can't get no better than this 101 style. Yo, daddy. Bless up, bless up. Work are going on the road, so you know, say you the tractor. And how deal you have to do once in the river kind of dirt. You see me? But eventually it'll clear up. As soon as them stop work. No, that's something there go. Woo! Bang! Me there now, bro. Me run go to school, see? Yeah, man, I lick a bit. Yeah, man, General Plastic. You see me? One of the top farmers in my place. It's a youngster. You know it's something there. Crossroads. Great Indian person. Just reach Crossroads. Take time and stroll through, you know? So not what. And to choose a bicycle or something. Have to endure. It's a true blessing when I once greet you with a smile in the morning. Trust me. Whoa, daddy. Yeah. Living life to the fullest. Greetings, mommy. Alright. That's Miss Lovell. Blessed JP, you know. Nice lady. Blessings, daddy. Yeah, man. It's a blessing for the really, so, you know, country, yard life. Taking a stroll through. Oh, daddy. Let me say road about this one. Church, you know. Oh, you say, oh, that is a pothole. But you know there's something there, you can't make that stop. Just take time and look for them. Make sure you don't touch none. Real general on the street, have to stop and hear the boss, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
DJ, you know.
Yeah, tell them, man.
Proper something for me, but yeah, you know.
Yeah, man, they put the advice all I want to you send them off, man.
Yeah, man, nice, man.
Make them life be so special. They were living like a metro. Things get out of hand sometimes, but still don't waste your mind. Things can work any way out. Up to you to look to yourself. Only you can free yourself. Only you can be yourself. But there's time to hold on. The things will change up time, though. Don't think that it's not gonna change. Just hold on. Faith, you know, we move mountains. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
everything is done
Real
the
hustler
same.
out here, you know.
Yeah.
St. Thomas today.
Yeah.
And the general, like, we have preview of what we're capable of. You know, we have many talents, but we have to do something to survive. So this is the general I do right now.
Yeah.
So you know, there's something about blessings, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, running, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
One love.
Mama,
One
thing.
proper.
Yeah.
Ah, bro. Yeah, man, we're going to go see him. We're going to move again. Boy! Ooh. Blessings, daddy. Yeah, man. You know, there's something about blessings every time. Ah, nice and easy. Brown and easy about the moment. Yeah. Take on the streets, you know. Oh, fire. Don't, wait. Wait, what you doing? Tell that to Lowe's Cups country. It's a good thing to drive them around here and the rider them around and drive and ride hard, you know. I mean, I tell you. Bless up, that is it. Yeah, man. If a vehicle come a while ago, you know where something they go. But I talk to him parents them still. Yeah, man, I make him know say, yo, them have to watch him, you know. Because he can't run out on the road like that. But anyway, we're still on the go, you know. Yes, man. Look on the place. Pretty as usual, you know. Like a little ride out. Actually keep your fit, you know. Empress. Mommy. Yeah, man, ladies, them on the road, you know. Mommy Jennifer. Yeah, man. Really impressing that place, you know. Yeah, man. I don't know. Empress I drive the bus. Yeah, man. ND, you know. But I said, man, hard working Empress as well. Know the something go. Blessings. General, manners and respect. Yeah, man, on the go, you know. Regular vibe spot this, you know. I don't know how early say place lockdown. Still on the go. Oh, daddy. Yeah. Proper, sir. Manners, my G. Oh dear. Oh, I'm going to tell you the sun here. It's melting, you know. It's melting hot. Helping hot. Red hot. Woo! Can't even pedal the bike. After this course. Young Jenna, big up yourself. Bless up, daddy. Yeah, I'm taking it nice and slow. When I go fast on with the bicycle, you can't carry, you know. Whew. Trinity Police Station. Any complaints? You report it there. But them something they not likely for you. Oh, I'm good to the Empress. I'm good to them, man. Yeah, man, blessings, you know. Taking it easy, you know. A little mess. Good morning. So yeah, I take picture there before. Browning. Bless up, bless up. Let me see if we can put the pepper on my step. Woo. Greetings, Empress. Morning. On the go, you know. Nice and easy. Yo, daddy. Oh, brother. And do the mats container. Beautiful. Road and blessings, bro. Yeah, blessings, blessings. What do we have forward, bro? Yeah, man, blessings, blessings, yeah. Trinity vibes, you know. Yeah, them are easy back. Proper something. As I tell you, now no time for idling. Anything I get done, it must be something positive. Now no time for waste, you know. Blessings. Yeah, and everybody always find something constructive to do. Whatever I do here or something. Manners and respect. Yeah. But them always have something to do. Oh, daddy. Yes. This is country life, you know. Very peaceful. Blessings, Empress. Alright. Left on our veranda, easy back, you know. Take life one step at a time. Blessings, blessings. Yeah, just like that, you know. One night mommy sharing about. Make her check if she there the black, yeah. Mom? She not there about it seems. So now forward back from school and check with her, you know. Nice and easy. Blessings, blessings. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, This is something need to sort out. You need to fix that. Almost naturally. Cannot have precious water wasting at them time, you know. Today is a blessed day. Yeah, as I always say. Today one of them days when we reach a school early, you know. Reach in early, so you know you have to help sort out the obstacle course. Yeah, get things together. Yeah, right way. Do the right thing. Wide, you know? In the wide. But then my boy take out that.
People have killed their lady, you.
You see where you go wrong now.
Come back. Come on. License and registration, please. Open the park and step on the people. People like kill somebody, I'm clear that. Yeah? No, I'm tell them something post it, I go.
People give me a try then.